All is well mga katravel. Book your tour with MK Hotel and Tours, Armenia, Georgia, and Kazakhstan. Don't miss out on the incredible opportunity to discover the beauty and culture of this incredible destination. What are you waiting for?
Ano ba?
Sarap. Sarap. Memories daw yan. Part of that. Kala ko dito. Saan ba dito? Ay, ito pala yung tawiran. May tawiran pala. Ay, tara. May tawiran pala dito. Hindi kita eh. Parang pag dito ka nag-break, talent ka. Ay, may bundok sa likod mamaya. Pagkatas natin kumain.
Ano yung mahina ang kapit ng ano mo, nabili mo?
Wala siyang ngipin.
Ang pinila. Ito naman pantay pero kumakapit.
Pasok mga suki. Taas na tayo. Taas tayo para magandang nito. We can order ako.
Dali man nila yun.
Ayun. Medyo anong klase sa taas. Ganda sana sa may window. Idugtong na lang natin table natin. Wala din pala anong mountain.
Road view na lang.
Road view.
Mali yung nagawa mo sa labi?
Bakit?
Hanggang may
Reading glass.
glasses is different. Kaya dapat in the half part.
Hindi mo mabasa?
Oo.
Mahirap ka. Ano ba grado mo? Baka
Hindi, i-ano ko lang sa cellphone.
kaya mo ba to? May grado
picture
to.
niya dapat sa kapatihan.
Oo, sa cellphone ko na lang. Ano ko lang ba?
Mataas ang grado mo?
125,
Ang
125.
taas.
Bro, you have English?
No.
Ano
Try mo. Try mo lang. Kasi diabetic ako lang medyo. Pero baka mas mataas pa rin. Mamaya kasi
Sa'yo
din
baka,
to eh, pero mamaya magliliwanag na.
baka sa'yo 50 lang.
Mataas din. Nasa 100.
Nasa 100 ka? Grabe, mataas pa yung grado mo sa akin.
Ito mga segmento nila.
Gawin ko at
Mga picture.
75.
Where's the picture? Picture na lang din.
Wala parehas din.
May pipicturean yan.
Ayan na lang yung picture na.
Sige kayo na Bill magkano.
Nakita ko dun sa baba yung parang platter na ano.
Parang map.
Pero English naman nakalaga. Ay, salita.
Ito may chicken din.
Ano pala to? Russian language pala yung kabulan sa'yo. English sa'yo. Hindi natin maunawaan.
What's that? Chicken, beef? Pasta.
Wala pala English to. Lahat to ano?
Pasta and
No.
horse meat.
May English yan?
Ayun yung horse meat na lang sa kanin.
Ayun daw na.
I would like to ask.
Okay.
I-order ako ng
Three flock with horse meat, 3. And then for me, one this pizza. One pizza.
Yung sinasabi nga ata yung ano, yung pasta.
Yung pasta,
Na may
Yun ang class
yung
nila.
may katas.
breakfast natin nung
Oo,
ano.
yun.
Hindi naman pasa yun.
One lemonade.
Hindi, yun ang
Ano
tawag.
lemonade? Ano? 1 liter lemonade. 1 liter lemonade.
Tsaka mag-water. Mag-water din tayo.
No, the water, there is no.
Lemonade.
This
yun.
one.
Lemonade ano yun, hindi yun hindi yung pakasok yung session.
Tubig. Tubig yun na may lemon.
Kasi may sparkling. Siyempre natin ano. Ayaw mo?
Spread lang yun. Nilagyan ng kaya lemon. Order na lang siyempre.
The other one? Yes. So I will take this one.
Anong team na?
Ano yun?
Это шталқов различный, да, сказано. Так, машину бармат.
Same pizza before?
Hindi. Ano, parang 4 na flavors.
Mix.
Рамен вопрос. Или курили. И этот лимонный флейвор. Yes, 1 liter. 2 liter. Thank you.
So, you want pizza? Yeah, 1 pizza. Only small, this one? Normal. Normal, okay. And
Dalawa lang yung papas natin mamaya.
pasta, yeah, 1 pasta portion. Sa'yo, rice eh. Noodle. Too much rice. O, di pasta na lang, yun na lang, pahit na lang tayo. Pasta sa'yo.
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ako
Yeah, this one. Ano ko masarap? Kami pa lang.
video nila.
Ay, sorry.
Nagkatayo ko ng marami pala.
Marami.
Alam ko sorry. This is the ano. Wow. Nice.
Tingnan natin.
Lumabas pala si Ano.
Kaya mo naman manigarilyo. Mahilig di manigarilyo.
May buwan na oh.
Sabi nga.
Baka maging sus tong aking sa.
programa gano'n.
Separate ba yung ano?
Extra po.
Oo, di ba sabi ko maitim yung ano.
Pero mabango sa amoy mo. Para sa ano yung morphon.
Masarap
Ay, ganyan din yung rice nyo kahapon.
Pero beef yung kahapon.
Papalat kasi yun sa atin.
Yun ang ano, specialty na suligan. Tapa ng kabayo. Hindi mahilig magkakain ng mga tao dito. Lugi ang restaurant sa kanila.
Mag-juice ka.
Sige.
Ah, sarap. Parang guwaba. Lemon sa kaan.
Ano yung sa'yo pasta, Ben? Amazing.
May sabaw pa siyang nakasiwalay. Ang kakaibang pagkain.
Kumain ka daw.
Yung sa'yo, ano, Ismaila.
The beef. The beef.
Так просто каждый вещь. Вещь просто.
Meron pa ba? May kulang pa?
Yung kay ano,
Kay madam.
Ay, ginagawa pa.
Ginagawa.
Ano sa'yo, beef? Or ano din?
Horse.
Or
meat.
horse?
Ah. Ito ba ka ba? Ngayon sa inyo, beef lang.
Hindi, horse.
Horse beef. Ano pangalan ng ano?
Plop.
Plop, 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 plop. Parang
this one is...
yung mga ano, natutuwa siya yung mga
Ano yan? Noodles. Horse.
natutuwa sa atin siya yung mga
Ah, pasta pala tawag.
Pasta something.
Tapos ito yung sauce. May sauce ito. Isa na lang. Ginagawa pa yung tinapay.
Pinamasa pa rin yung tinapay.
Mag-pizza ka na lang muna.
Let's eat. Pizza ba? Thank you.
Kumuha ka na dyan. Sa pas. Saan?
Hindi ka naman si ano.
Ito ka na po. Tayo ka dyan dito.
Tumayo pa.
Spencer.
Okay.
Ano sa'yo ganito? Ay, ang ba't yun? Tinapay?
Meat and mushroom.
Sarap.
Sarap.
Let's go. Let's eat.
Kumuha ka na dyan. Baka nung gusto mo kayo.
Tama na yan. Kasi baka baka malaking serving ako.
Ayun. Wow. Ano? Ako lang yun.
There's bread. Bread? Well, I thought there's bread. Oy, gusto mo try ito? Ano?
Ah, malasa yun.
Iba yung lasa ng
Mga gusto kong ano ito. Kaya
Ano yung brand mo? Bread. Name is Borsak.
Borsak. Bread. Hindi kompleto yung picture natin. Walang bread.
On their last video, we do that. They will make for some.
Kahit hindi mo bread. Itong rebel.
Borsak.
Yes, one.
Oh, here goes.
Go na.
This is our traditional bread.
Yan, sus, no? Ini, paket ba?
How much is it?
Where's my
May grill pa dito ha.
Proper na.
Ako lang yan. Ano to? Ganun ba?
Akala nila na ang tayo pa ba?
Pag may bibili.
Ay, sa kabila pala tayo mo.
Ano tayong grocery dito? Baka meron dyan.
Mansur. Doon sa Mansur.
Doon tayo sa...
Kabila dyan mo.
Ay,
Ito, bigla ko ang...
meron ka? Asan dyan?
Ay, ito.
Dito ko muna.
Ito, bakit ito ka? Ay. Ito, ate, meron ka?
Meron na daw siya. Saan? Bakit? Dito ka na oh. May papasok tayo sa loob na?
Ano kaya ang view dyan pag sumakay ka?
Ano lang, dine-in. Kainan lang. May logo ng Japan dun. Ay, may
Bakit
bandila.
naman kasi walang ano, English
Kaya
version?
hindi pa nila binabit
Na ano.
Aksak. Camera. Camera. Lamig.
Ah, there's ano,
Ayan na, picture kayo dyan.
Ay, may hangin.
Lamig.
Lamig.
Ay, bawal lang siya. Ano yun? Bakit may shades? Ano tayo? Ay, pwede ba dito?
Bawal na sa lamig.
oh, nakasalamin?
Hindi. Wala naman naka-X eh.
Ticket. Magkano daw ba?
$1.
Shut up, but you're later. Wait.
Meron ka ba, Ben?
Meron. I-ano ko to parang mabawas.
4? Oh? Yeah. This is 5. Sorry.
500.
Просто си iPad mo eh.
2 5.
Yes. I need you 500 thing.
500 finger mo?
Yes.
Teraz są do wszystkich niezbędne do Wala na może się nie zrobić.
After the no? Per person 600 finger.
Ah,
Yeah.
tumas na. Nagbago lang dito nila.
Sabi niya kanina 500.
Nagbago yan.
Oh?
Hello. Can we make video? It's okay?
So we have some rules.
What rules?
So we can take video. We can take just photos.
Only
No
photo.
vote, no video, only photo.
Ah, walang video.
In front of me, third version of Suite of Golden Man made in 1997. Nowadays, original plaques, golden plaques, are in Almaty, in Astana, in National Museum, and the bones remains at this museum. Golden Man lived in 5th century BC, about 2,500 years ago, at this territory, and 18 years old young man, royal son. So, why we call Golden Man? Because all suite decorated with about 4,000 golden plaques.
Wow.
165 of them made in minimal style. So you can see on top of the headrest, mountain ships, feature of mountain ships.
Ah, there is a... Ano ba? Parang may lamig.
Like
Ano yun?
elephant?
Which one?
Mountain ship.
Mountain sheep.
Yes.
Ah, okay.
And in front of headrest, you can see horses with wings.
Yeah. The Pegasus.
Nowadays it symbolizes the contents of Kazakhstan. And you can see necklace also decorated with head of leopard. And here you can see also head of leopards. Belt decorated with horse. And On right hand, ring with image of king. It was like stand. And the red colors, in Chinese sources says that red colors were his royal's family. So his royal son.
Not the lucky color.
Just red, yes.
It's like powerful.
And the back of the headdress, you can see birds, trees, mountain ships, mountains, and the snow leopards. Also, this snow leopard symbolizes the Federation. And he has also second name. Our golden man's second name, second Tutankhamun. You know, first Tutankhamun, which was found in Egypt, Pharaoh Tutankhamun. He had lots of golden, and he took first place all over the world. Our golden man took second place with golden plaques. And the next one also was found in Kazakhstan. This burial ground located nearby mountain. In East Kazakhstan region is Kemen. So here located burial mound Beren. On this mount was found burial mound of some men with women and with 13 horses. 4 horses decorated with like these plaques. They used silver and gold. Dates 4th century BC. And also we made DNA analyze on remains these people. And nowadays we know these people, our grandmothers and grandfathers, ethnic Kazakh people. And the third one also was found in area 03 in Kazakhstan. You can see this stone looks like pyramid, royal stone. Dates 7th century BC.
Pyramid.
Royal suite decorated with like these plaques, also made in minimal style. And was found about 3,500 golden plaques. And all this display also was found native burial mound located in village Baltabay. In 2015 was found this golden plaques and the ceramic dishes and the arrowheads. Dates 4th century BC.
O yung ano ng araw yun.
Isa pa na. Meron pa silang na-discover.
The tribes, royals family, mounds located nearby mountains because they believed after mountains their paradise, another life. And on this display you can see jewelry, which is found on women's burial mounds. Bronze mirrors, bracelet, bronze bracelet, bronze comb, bronze hairpins, necklace, and then this one to the floor was white amulet. And then here you can see also amulets. This amulet consists lots of part of animals. You can see head of human, body of leopard, wings of bird, made by silver, which was found in 1988 at this sector. And this amulet was found in Almat region, village of Kastek, made by zinc, named Tiger Griffon. And the metal bird also was found at this sector in 1877. And the bronze dragon also dates 4th century BC. This one dates 5th century BC, and this one dates 5th century BC. And then this one dates 4th century BC.
Generally, it's all like in
Before
the 4th
Christ,
century.
Yes.
4th century.
And on this display you can see weapons which are found in men's homes. Here you can see arrowheads which are found in central Kazakhstan, made by gold and bronze. This bronze now is found in West Kazakhstan, also dates 5th century BC. And this native architecture, Almaty region, dates to century BC. And this bronze knife also was found in Akmola region, dates 4th century BC. And you can see here the construction of sword of golden man, also made in minimal style, decorated with golden tags, also dates 6th century.
The golden man is like a warrior.
Yes. And on the display, you can see sacrifice tables. So the tribes, they sacrifice of their gods. Bronze for Western Kazakhstan, typical stone sacrifice tables. For South, bronze sacrifice tables. Also this 4th century BC.
Parang daalay sila dyan.
Here you can see agricultural elements, which is found as this territory, village of Kurtuli. Main agricultural tool was oyeket, main grinders like this, and this one also grinder. You can touch if you
Para sa fire. For making fire.
Grinder.
Grinder. Pandurog din. Ba? Mano-mano dati. Ano tawag sa atin doon? Meron tayong ganun ba? Mortar ba? Oo.
Anong Tagalog?
Mortar.
Paggiling ng bawang.
Hindi yung
Dikdik.
You can see at the entrance of museum on right hand 7 stone sculptures, original 7 stone sculptures. Early stone sculptures, which are found in the 20th century, this 4th century BC. And this stone sculpture was found in Kazakhstan in Manistau. You can see necklace and belt sword with like golden lance. And the late Turkish period, tribes completely made the stone sculptures. This stone sculpture dates 7th century Turkish period. This cauldron was found in 1953 at this territory. With lengths, you can see lengths made also in animal style, camel's foot. Dates also 5th century BC. They prepared cooking on bronze cauldrons. And the ceramic dishes original, which are found in Almaty region. So this ceramic dish dates 7th century BC, which is found in Almaty region. And this one was found in Azad village, and the second one was found in Shubarat village, and this with hand also native at this territory. And this one was found in Kırgaoğlu village, and the back one was found in Kaskelian village, and this was found in Vurnik village. All of the dates 7th, 5th, 4th, 3rd century BC. In front of you, anthropological reconstruction. This remain was found in Republic of Kyrgyzstan on Bozadir Belalmau. As a result, you can see 60% Mongolian, 40% European race lived at this territory. So archaeologists suppose golden man looks like him. Little bit like Chinese.
Yeah. Makes sense.
60%.
So let's go.
Mamaya quiz tayo.
Nowadays, golden man symbolizes independence of Kazakhstan. On our national coins, you can see here, first one, ring, golden man's ring, and this one, golden man. And on our postmarks also. And this is our national emblem. You can see horses with wings. It's taken from headdress of golden man. And this independence, monument of independence, located in Almaty city, square of Republic. Have you seen?
Yeah, I saw that.
Okay.
Nung papunta tayo sa snow.
So, golden man now they identify independence of Kazakhstan.
Kasi hindi ko nakukunan yun. Bilis kasi natin.
Pupunta naman tayo doon.
As I said, first ring with image of a king, second simple ring. And
This is the one who is wearing.
yes, and with golden man was found this silver cup, which consists 26 signs.
Oh.
So at that time, 2,500 years ago, the tribes had their own signs. Like this signs also was found in South Kazakhstan on stones also. This sign continued use the Turkish period. So, yes. And like this signs also was found in other central countries, in Central Asia. Nowadays we have about 20 different transcriptions. Nowadays we still researching this sign.
What are the signs?
Yes.
Di ba sa bansa natin meron? I think in our country also.
This person was of head of expedition of Golden Man. His name Kemal Akishev. He wrote his own book named Kurgan-Isik. He explained about Golden Man, published it in 1979. He also was head of another expeditions, but he was popular by the Golden Man's expedition. And the first time Golden Man was found by Bek Muhammad. He was member of expedition, and the first time he found Golden Man, he dreamed about opening Golden Man's museum. It came through in 2010. He worked at this office 6 years, passed away in 2016.
He passed already, 2016.
Yeah, he passed. Yes. We have 3 versions of Suite of Golden Man. First version made Kemal Akishev, head of expedition. Second version made Anatoly Tanabay by Anatoly Tanabay. And the last version made Krim Altınbekov. This last version, 90% matches the original. So all of the museum you can see just last version. And here you can see last version and in middle second version. Headers, they are different. And this horse, this plaque decorated with horse, Golden Man's belt. And here you can see structure of burial mound, Golden Man burial mound. So inside, in central burial mound, also was another person, but archaeologists came in 1960 and they found this center was robot. So archaeologists support in center was king himself. And the Golden Man located from center 50 meters in east part of town here. So he was found totally. And this original picture, Golden Man's tomb, and the maquette of tomb. You can see structure with similar parts, and inside camera made with wood, one piece of wood, this one, original, with 30 items. You can see original Golden Man's wooden
May libi, parang libi naman. May patay, may buto.
Wooden dish, ceramic dishes, original, bronze mirror, his necklace, and the first photo here. So Golden Man was found in 1930 in April. It was intentionally used at that time, so it did. And at the Tutorial Museum, about 100 tombs like this, protected nowadays by government. And here,
We can touch.
piece of ceramic dishes dates medieval century. You can touch.
We can feel.
Painted ceramic dishes. Yes.
This is also found on that one.
No. This ceramic dishes are found in South Kazakhstan
It's a different one.
on the Circular Road.
It's like clay.
Para sa mga, yun sa mga journal.
Clay.
Ay, clay.
Clay.
Yeah. It's like from the mountain.
The clay. The
Painted ceramic dishes from medieval.
Lupa man.
Medieval.
Yes, medieval. Not ancient.
Hindi ba lupa yan?
Hindi daw.
South Kazakhstan.
South Kazakhstan, city named Otrar.
Okay.
Yan, napunta na kayo.
Yeah. Here, sacrifice table. You can see food cameras. As I said, they give sacrifice to the gods on this sacrifice tables. Weighed 120 kilogram. This sacrifice table was found at this territory village of Turgen in 2009. All of the work like this about 3 tables. First in Russia, second in China, and third in our museum. Original.
Bawal hawakan? Ang kalagay?
Lahat naman.
Yun lang daw pwedeng hawakan.
Pero ang bigat, no? Ha?
Ay, tara.
Tapos paglagay mo pa yung
So as I said, our museum was created in 2010. So from 2010, nowadays we have visitors all over the world. They match themselves from USA, Europe, Arabic countries, and East Asia.
Nasaan pa niya?
We're from the south.
Wala din.
Which one?
Southeast.
We cannot see it.
Philippines.
No, we live.
Return, no, natin.
It's the first time that we can
This one.
Ayusin globe.
This one.
okay.
Yeah, ang galing ah. Nakita niyo.
Go.
And which part?
This one.
This one.
North. Will north. Okay.
Malinaw ang mata.
This one. This one.
Ang galing niya. Linaw niya. Oo, pinag-aralan nila talaga yun. Ayaw.
We came here. I want to put also my pin. But we're from the same area, no?
From sea?
Same area.
Luzon also.
Luzon also. But I'll put the different color. Too much.
This one also.
I just put the
yeah.
Metro Manila.
Kaya.
Kabok ko mo.
Can I?
Din.
This one.
Ikaw, Teng, Sabela.
Sa baba.
Dun sa taas pa yung
Ay, sa
kanya.
taas pala.
Okay.
Let's go.
Sa ano nga pala, pa Bisaya, baba.
Kompleto pala
Official
yun.
yung visit namin.
Ay, may preserve pa pala doon ng agila.
Third fall, memorial office of head of expedition of Olderman, Kazakh archaeologist Kemal Aykishov. His scientific works and his archaeological tools. And here you can see he was here you can see original first construction, and he was also the first archaeological map of Kazakhstan. And this one. So made in 1960. Here this market settlements, burial tribe settlements, burial mounds, and cave drawings.
Ganun
Location.
mga number.
And his original picture you can see this
Yeah, the
phone
telephone.
and his
Chair.
yes, and the
All
table,
the
work table original,
So they preserve it.
and his scientific work about Pokemon named Kurban Sik. He has a watch and notebooks, and this ceramic dishes which was found in Otrar city in South Kazakhstan. He also was head of expedition of Otrar. And this ceramic dish was found in Sartogar Valley in South Kazakhstan. On this red one house. And a piece of this one you can see cave Kawi, argyles, and a piece of bronze knives. Dates 4th century BC. And
what's this? Wood?
wooden piece of cameras.
Where they put the
Yes.
Ano?
piece ng
Paglagyan daw
camera.
ng camera.
Yung camera. Para yung binabagsak doon sa... Yung pang doon.
Other photos you can see this is also robot. Like this you can see.
Snow pa doon.
This tombs also robot. All tombs kings royals tombs. Unfortunately all tombs robot.
Nakalak na nga bang kayo dito?
Mga labi ng ano.
This
ng
coin
Golden ones.
Golden yun.
This spine na lang.
This 12th century AD, Karahanid Turkish period. At that time, tribes get Islamic religion, and on this Islamic wrote surahs, Quran from Quran, 9 surahs of Quran. Allah has sent His messenger with the right guidance and the religion of truth. Like this coin also was found at the Turtle Museum in medieval city Talhis. This city was capital city of Karahanid Turkish period. So let's go.
Napagod na. Kaya agila din yan sinabi.
Pabalik siguro.
After tayo sa taas.
May taas pa ba ito?
Wala no?
This man also first founder of Golden Man, Big Muhammad Muhammad. He was awarded by President. He was popular also by the Golden Man. His buste, monument, dress, headdress, and life was prepared back for expedition. As I said, he dreamed about opening Golden Man's museum. He came to Rotterdam. He worked at this office 6 years. Last time participated to international expedition with South Koreans. He passed away in 2016.
Hindi na tinabutan.
His scientific works, here you can see Golden Man's tomb in 1970, first meeting with President, our first President Nazarbayev, and with Mohammed Mohammed in 1992. And his colleagues from Archaeological Institute, and he also quite in our museum 6 years. So we also call this office Dreams Come True.
Yeah. Saan kaya itong pinto?
Na-preserve. Ano ba?
Do you know about hunting with golden eagle? We have tradition. Hunting with golden eagle started from early Iron Age. You can see this cave drawing. Hunting started from early Iron Age, about 2,500 years ago. Also on stone sculptures you can see they exist together with bird. And nowadays even eating Kazakh was continuing this tradition. Every year we have competition. So all people from different region come in Almaty, and we have yes, our traditional hunting. So we still continue. And this original size of golden eagle, weight 7 kilogram, length 2.5 meters.
Wow, very big.
Special laser mask for golden eagle, and this wooden dish for golden eagle, tube, bone tube for golden eagle for drinking, and this bag. So our traditional hunting, if you have this tradition, I don't know.
We have the Philippine eagle, but the hunting is not allowed.
Golden eagle hunt wolf and fox.
Golden fox.
Yes.
But this one is the
This head is
for
made by
the
fox.
for hunting.
Yes.
Very nice.
May ano?
Yun yung mga hunting
Oo.
tirador.
Gumalaw yung mata.
No? Oh, patalisod dyan.
Malaki rito mga silong niya.
This Victoria Museum, 400 hectare territory, consists like this 100 burial mounds, and then two ancient cities, Rahat and Wurte here, and the one medieval city, Talhis. From 2017 to 2023, last 5 years, as this location was expedition, all result in our first.
Expedition Magellan.
Puro kabagyo.
In front of you, built carpet made 600 times, 3,000 years ago. Was found in East Kazakhstan, Hazar Burial Mound. All colors saved because Burial Mound frozen. This carpet was found in 1946. So tribes, this horse was domesticated by tribes 3,000 years ago. Nowadays we still riding. And you can see this one. As I explained, head of human, body of leopard, use of bird. It was like amulet. Also, this painted in ancient carpet for protection houses. Because they use carpet as one this ancient carriage, wooden carriage. Also, in cave drawings, you can see wooden carriages. And as the Tutorial Museum located ancient city Rahat, last 5 years, results, you can see piece of ceramic dishes, grinders, stone tools, and this ceramic dishes, it was like fridge.
Okay.
This
Preserved.
saved foods long time.
Yeah.
Preserve the picture.
Same sa atin culture.
And the grinders, stone tools, piece of ceramic dishes, bone measure, this one, bronze knives, and argyles. These argyles date 2nd century BC. So at that time, children played with bones. Nowadays we continue this tradition. We have a national children's game with bones, named Asık. A piece of bronze knives and the ceramic dishes, axes, plaques, bronze plaques, hairpins, piece of bell. And this territory, city Raha, ancient city Raha, from 17 to 23. Last expedition's result. Bronze mirror, bronze knives, ceramic dishes, earring here, and was found in 2023. Tribes 3,000 years ago, who is still riding. They have different colors from different regions. Adai from West Kazakhstan, from Central Kazakhstan, Simi from East Kazakhstan, Ural from West, and this one from North Kazakhstan. We are still riding, also eating horse's meat. We have a traditional food named Beshbana. Have you tasted?
Yeah, that was the horse meat and the rice, my dog.
Yes, horse meat.
Yes, I just ate it.
And we have two kinds of horses. First for competition, second for eating. If you indicate this horse for competition, we will not eat this horse's meat.
It's not allowed to.
Yes. See, every year we have competition also from a different region came to Almaty for competition.
Almaty is the central.
In Astana also, in capital city. So let's go.
Let's go.
If you would like to take photo in front of him, carpet,
Yeah. I know, we can, para join siya. Para
This is an
kasama.
old carpet.
Para kasama yung ano.
3,000
Yes.
years.
Selfie na lang.
See, kayo pa.
Let's take photo together.
Ako na magpipicture.
Madam, let's take photo together, selfie. Yeah,
Including you.
yeah, the selfie.
Yes,
Selfie na po.
saan tayo?
We'll do selfie here. Yeah.
Ano, nahihilo ka pa? Maganda yung gamot. Humingi ka pa ng dalawa. Ilang araw pa tayo.
Kaya pa. Ay,
Oo. O kahit isa na lang hingin mo.
okay na. YC. Ba, ang ganda ng view dito, oh.
Ganda.
Mountain view.
Ah. Dito. Dito. Ang dami kang hawak. Dito, picture mo ganyan. Paano ko? Dito, ganyan mo. Ayan, hawak mo. Oh. Tatapon ko to.
Bakit kaya tumutunog ang ano?
Hindi ano, may buo-buo. Medyo tumitigas na siya. Naglaro. Naglaro na lang. Sarado doon.
Hindi hinahanap ko yung labasan doon pa.
Sumusunod ka.
Ah, lamig.
Nakita ko ay Mela. Maganda rin yung jacket na to, oh. Hindi makaano ng lamig. Mainit.
Success na.
Wala dapat yung
Ah, nakatulog siya.
Oo.
Nakatulog.
Ang goda si
Yan siya.
Gising.
Tulog.
Ha? Lumang sasakyan. Nakatingin sa atin sa TV. Parang